Welcome! If you're looking to learn Excel quickly, you're in the right place. Excel is a powerful tool used in countless industries for data analysis, organization, and visualization. Whether you're a student, professional, or just curious, mastering Excel can open up new opportunities. In this video, we'll break down the most effective strategies to learn Excel fast, focusing on key features, practical tips, and hands-on practice. Let's start by understanding what Excel is and why it's so valuable in today's digital world. Before diving into Excel, it's important to set clear learning goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve with Excel? Are you aiming to manage budgets, analyze data, or create reports? Defining your objectives helps you focus on the most relevant features and prevents overwhelm. For example, if you need Excel for business analysis, prioritize learning formulas and charts. If you're handling lists, focus on sorting and filtering. Setting goals will guide your learning path and keep you motivated as you progress. Getting comfortable with Excel's interface is a crucial first step. Open Excel and explore the ribbon, which contains tabs like Home, Insert, and Formulas. Notice the worksheet grid made up of rows and columns, where you'll input your data. Take a few minutes to click around and see where common tools are located. Understanding the layout will save you time and make learning new functions much easier. Don't worry about memorizing everything, just get a feel for the workspace. Efficient navigation is key to working quickly in Excel. Practice moving between cells using your mouse and keyboard arrows. Learn shortcuts like Ctrl+Arrow keys to jump to the end of data ranges, and Ctrl+Home to return to the top left cell. Try selecting entire rows or columns by clicking their headers. Mastering these basic navigation skills will help you work faster and reduce frustration as you start building your spreadsheets. Let's practice entering data. Click on a cell and type in text or numbers, then press Enter to move down or Tab to move right. To edit a cell, double-click it or select and type over. If you make a mistake, use Ctrl+Z to undo. Try copying and pasting data between cells using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. These simple actions form the foundation of all Excel work, so spend a few minutes getting comfortable with them. Formatting makes your data easier to read and more visually appealing. Select a range of cells and use the Home tab to change font, size, or color. Try bolding headers, adding borders, or adjusting cell alignment. Use the Format Painter to quickly copy formatting from one cell to another. Good formatting not only improves appearance, but also helps highlight important information, making your spreadsheets more effective. Formulas are the heart of Excel. Start by typing an equals sign equals S in a cell, then enter a simple calculation like equals 2 plus 2. Try referencing other cells, such as equals A1 plus B1. Excel will automatically update results if the reference cells change. Practice using basic functions like sum, average, and count. For example, equals sum a 1. A 5 adds up values in cells a 1 through a 5. Mastering formulas will unlock Excel's true power for you. Excel's autofill and flash fill features can save you lots of time. Autofill lets you drag the fill handle to copy formulas or extend patterns, like days of the week. Flash fill automatically fills in values based on patterns it detects, such as splitting names or formatting numbers. Try entering a few examples and watch Excel do the rest. These tools are especially useful for repetitive tasks and data cleaning. Sorting and filtering help you organize and analyze data efficiently. Select your data range and use the Sort and Filter options on the Home or Data tab. Sort alphabetically, by number, or by date. Apply filters to show only the rows that meet certain criteria, like sales above a certain value. These features make it easy to find trends and focus on the information that matters most to you. Excel tables are a great way to manage related data. Select your data and click Insert is greater than table. Tables automatically apply formatting, add filter buttons, and make formulas easier to write. You can quickly add totals, sort, and filter within the table. Tables also expand automatically as you add new data, keeping your work organized and dynamic. Conditional formatting lets you highlight data based on specific rules. For example, you can color cells red if values are below a target, or use data bars to visualize numbers. Go to the Home tab and explore conditional formatting options. This feature helps you spot trends, outliers, and important information at a glance, making your spreadsheets more insightful and visually engaging. Charts turn raw data into visual stories. Select your data and click Insert is greater than chart to choose from options like bar, line, or pie charts. Customize your chart with titles, labels, and colors to make it clear and attractive. Charts help you communicate findings effectively, whether you're presenting to a team or analyzing trends for yourself. Excel uses different types of cell references: relative, absolute, and mixed. Relative references change when you copy formulas, while absolute references with dollar signs like $A, $1 stay fixed. Mixed references lock either the row or column. Understanding these is essential for building flexible formulas that work across your spreadsheet. Practice switching between reference types to see how they affect your calculations. Learning keyboard shortcuts can dramatically speed up your workflow. Some must-know shortcuts include Ctrl+C, copy, Ctrl+V, paste, Ctrl+Z, undo, and Ctrl+S, save. Use Ctrl+Shift+L to toggle filters, and F2 to edit a cell. The more shortcuts you use, the more efficient you'll become. Try incorporating a few new ones each day as you practice. The Find and Replace tool helps you quickly locate and update data. Press Ctrl+F to find specific text or numbers, and Ctrl+H to replace them. This is especially useful for correcting errors or updating information across large datasets. Mastering this tool will save you time and ensure accuracy in your spreadsheets. When working with large datasets, Freeze Panes keeps headers or key columns visible as you scroll. Go to the View tab and select Freeze Panes. This feature is invaluable for tracking data across long lists, ensuring you never lose sight of important labels or categories. Try freezing the top row or first column to see how it improves your workflow. Splitting and merging cells helps you organize your spreadsheet layout. Merge cells to create larger headers or section titles. Use the split function to divide data into separate columns, such as splitting first and last names. These formatting tools make your data clearer and your spreadsheets more professional. Data validation ensures that only correct information is entered into your spreadsheet. Set rules for cells, like allowing only numbers or dates. Go to the Data tab and select Data Validation. This feature helps prevent errors and keeps your data consistent, especially when sharing spreadsheets with others. Excel functions are built-in formulas that perform specific calculations. Start with common ones like sum, average, min, and max. Type equals sum1, a 10 to add up a range, or equals average, B1, B10 for the average. Functions save time and reduce errors, especially with large datasets. Explore the Formulas tab to discover more functions as you advance. The IF function lets you create logical tests in Excel. For example, equals IF, A1 is greater than 10, yes, no, returns yes if A1 is greater than 10, otherwise no. If statements are powerful for automating decisions and categorizing data. Practice writing simple if formulas to get comfortable with this essential tool. VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP are lookup functions that help you find information in large tables. VLOOKUP searches vertically, while HLOOKUP searches horizontally. For example, equals VLOOKUP, Apple, A1, B10, 2, false, finds the value for Apple in a table. These functions are essential for combining data from different sources and building dynamic spreadsheets. Pivot tables are powerful tools for summarizing and analyzing large datasets. Select your data and choose Insert is greater than Pivot Table. Drag fields into rows, columns, and values to create custom summaries. Pivot tables make it easy to spot trends, totals, and patterns without complex formulas. Experiment with different layouts to see how your data changes. Protecting your Excel files ensures your data stays safe. Use the Save As feature to create backups. Set passwords to restrict access or lock specific sheets. Go to the Review tab and explore protection options. These steps are especially important when sharing sensitive information or collaborating with others. Before printing, check your page setup to ensure everything fits nicely. Use Print Preview to see how your spreadsheet will look, adjust margins, orientation, and scaling as needed. Set print areas to focus on specific sections. These steps help you create professional, easy-to-read printouts for reports or presentations. Excel workbooks can contain multiple sheets. Use the tabs at the bottom to add, rename, or move sheets. Link data between sheets by referencing cells, like equals Sheet 2, A1. Organizing your work across sheets keeps complex projects tidy and makes it easier to manage large amounts of information. Excel can import data from various sources, such as CSV files, databases, or web pages. Go to the Data tab and select Get Data. Follow the prompts to connect and import your information. This feature is invaluable for working with external data and integrating information from different systems. Cleaning data is essential for accurate analysis. Use features like Remove Duplicates, Trim, and Text to Columns to tidy up your information. Check for inconsistencies, blank cells, or formatting issues. Clean data ensures your formulas and charts work correctly and your insights are reliable. Named ranges make formulas easier to read and manage. Select a range of cells, then go to the Formulas tab and choose Define Name. Use the name in your formulas, like equals sum sales. This approach is especially helpful in large spreadsheets, reducing errors and making your work more understandable. Macros automate repetitive tasks in Excel. Record a macro by going to the View tab and selecting Macros is greater than record macro. Perform your actions, then stop recording. Run the macro to repeat those steps automatically. Macros are powerful for saving time, especially with complex or frequent tasks. Excel offers a variety of templates for budgets, calendars, invoices, and more. Access templates from the file is greater than new menu. Templates provide ready-made layouts and formulas, saving you setup time and giving you ideas for your own projects. Explore different templates to find ones that suit your needs. Excel makes it easy to collaborate with others. Share your workbook via OneDrive or email, and use the comments feature to communicate within the file. Track changes and use version history to review edits. Collaboration tools help teams work together efficiently, even from different locations. If you get stuck, Excel's built-in help and online resources are invaluable. Press F1 or click the help icon to search for answers. Microsoft's website and community forums offer tutorials, tips, and troubleshooting guides. Don't hesitate to use these resources. They can save you time and help you overcome challenges quickly. The best way to learn Excel is by practicing with real data. Use sample datasets or import your own information. Try recreating reports, analyzing trends, or building charts. Hands-on experience reinforces your skills and helps you remember what you've learned. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Joining online, Excel communities can accelerate your learning. Participate in forums, social media groups, or local workshops. Ask questions, share tips, and learn from others' experiences. Community support keeps you motivated and exposes you to new techniques and solutions. Challenge yourself with small projects, like creating a budget, tracking expenses, or analyzing survey results. Set a timer and try to complete tasks quickly. Practice challenges help you apply what you've learned and identify areas for improvement. Over time, you'll build speed and confidence. Reviewing your mistakes is a powerful way to learn. When you encounter errors, take time to understand what went wrong and how to fix it. Use Excel's error messages and trace precedents to diagnose issues. Learning from mistakes ensures you don't repeat them and deepens your understanding of Excel's logic. Once you're comfortable with the basics, explore advanced Excel features like data analysis, ToolPak, Power Query, and Power Pivot. These tools allow for deeper analysis, automation, and handling of large datasets. Don't rush, take your time to learn each feature as your needs grow. Video tutorials are a great way to learn Excel visually. Platforms like YouTube and LinkedIn Learning offer step-by-step guides for all skill levels. Pause, rewind, and follow along with real examples. Visual learning helps you grasp concepts faster and see how features work in practice. Consistency is key to mastering Excel quickly. Set aside regular time each day or week for practice. Break your learning into manageable chunks, focusing on one topic at a time. A structured schedule keeps you on track and helps you make steady progress without feeling overwhelmed. Keep track of what you've learned by maintaining a learning log or checklist. Note down new skills, shortcuts, and features as you master them. Reviewing your progress boosts motivation and helps you identify areas that need more practice. Celebrate your milestones along the way. Customize Excel settings to suit your workflow. Adjust default fonts, themes, and quick access toolbar for frequently used commands. Personalizing your workspace makes Excel more comfortable and efficient, helping you work faster and with fewer distractions. Excel is available on mobile devices, allowing you to view and edit spreadsheets on the go. Download the app and try basic functions like entering data, formatting, and reviewing charts. Mobile access ensures you can stay productive and responsive no matter where you are. Excel is constantly evolving with new features and updates. Stay informed by following Microsoft's official blog or update notes. Learning about new tools and improvements keeps your skills current and ensures you're making the most of Excel's capabilities. Let's quickly recap what we've covered: setting goals, mastering the interface, using formulas, organizing data, and exploring advanced features. Remember, learning Excel is a journey. Take it step by step, practice regularly, and don't be afraid to explore. With these strategies, you'll be well on your way to Excel mastery. Congratulations on taking the first steps to learn Excel fast. Keep practicing, explore new challenges, and use the resources available to you. Excel is a skill that grows with use, and your confidence will increase with every spreadsheet you create. Stay curious, keep learning, and enjoy your journey to becoming an Excel expert.